Hey, if you are not receiving WhatsApp notifications on your Poco F8 Ultra, you will have to start by opening settings for the first, and you have to start by opening notifications and the status bar. Settings, go to the app, notifications, and over here you have to search for WhatsApp. Application, as you can see, for some reason it's not turned on, so we have to just click on the switcher to basically turn on the WhatsApp, and you can even click on it and expand and simply check if you have enabled all of those options, for example for your chats, for group notifications, and stuff like that. If it is still not working, then you can also check for the do not disturb mode or the airplane mode. You have to make sure that you turn off the airplane mode and the do not disturb mode on your phone, because all of those modes actually block incoming notifications. So the do not disturb mode is available in the sound settings. Just make sure that you turn it off.